as a country, because we've had such a contested history, yes, we are rightly obsessed with history. And if I may, despite a clean chit for the 2002 Gujarat riots, you still talk about the Prime Minister in that context, and a clean chit that has come from the Supreme Court. That doesn't stop you. You speak about the RSS being banned, despite the fact that the ban was lifted by the same person who imposed it, Sardar Patel. But that doesn't stop you from talking about that part of history. So I guess, to be fair, that's a part of politics. You talk about 1947, they talk about 1975. But Charu Pragya, undeclared emergency 2025, you are completely silent on, where institutions have been subverted, the media is gagged. Nobody is talking about the ED and CBI. You only hark about 1975.
I would like to see someone attempt gagging you, Padmaja. You're here speaking loud and clear. This is no gagging of the media. And Gautam is here on your show expressing his view. So obviously the opposition is no longer behind bars. The opposition is not silent and thrown in jail for no reason other than just having a different political ideology. Maybe Gautam should go back and visit history. Then he will be very grateful for the India that he is living in today. And he says, why do we talk about history? Well, why are children taught history in school at all? Why does history even exist as a subject? It's important. Before you decided to come on the show and grace us with your presence, I asked this. Why do we remember death anniversaries? Why do we remember lessons from people's lives? The people we have lost. Why do we teach our children about the Holocaust?
Jobs to the crores of jobless Indians. Is it tackling the problem of inflation, of the rising prices that this country is facing now? You don't have answers on that. You want to know that. Round years always expressed that emergency should have not happened. We have said emergency should have not happened.
You don't want to talk about the emergency because it shows you in a dark light. It shows you for who you are. With constantly defending it even today.
Why was Mr. Narendra Modi elected as the Prime Minister? Not to talk about 50 years of emergency.
People chose him. Listen, I'm not very good at screaming on screen. I don't do that. You speak on your turn. Let me speak on mine. Modi ji is elected for a third time in a row. He's created history. That is your only sore point.
You are talking about 50 years of emergency.
Okay.